everybody. Today I will teach you how to change the direct switch to the indirect switch. We find out a simple ways to do this. It's change the main word. When we change this, we need to return back one change. Yes, it is the I watch TV. Is the watch is the main verb and it's the present simple. So we need to change to the past simple. And if it's the past simple, this is the watch. So we need to change to the past perfect. Had watched. Just like this. Change it to return back one state. And if it is a present continue, it like is watching it. So the is the main verb. So we need to change it to the was watch. And present perfect to the past perfect, like has watched. Change to the had watched. And present perfect continue. Change to the past perfect continue. Like has been. No, like yes. Has been watching. Change to the had been.
Yes.
Because had is the main verb.
Yes.
So we need to change to the had been. But some special.
Watching. I've been watching.
Watching. Sorry. But we also have some special, like the view. View. We need to change the view. And made to might. And must change to the had to. Another thing we need to know is when the main word is the should